Namaste, friends. Now that the devotee has resolved to clean himself, to inculcate the moral makeup of his mind, he is persevering to clean himself with all the thoughts and the subsequent actions. And the next step is that of nurturing himself. Yet the nurturing is not material in nature. The nurturing is sublime. The nurturing is something that is not external, and that can happen through a process of contemplation. Once he has discarded what was completely unnecessary, now he needs to contemplate as to the thoughts that he upholds. What is the quality of these thoughts? Is it beneficial for my spiritual growth? If not, why do I have it? Let me just turn around to replace it with thoughts that are positive, that are uplifting, and that are going to help me reach closer to my goal of God communion. So the thoughts that I will have is that will radiate the brilliance of my soul. Having positive thoughts for self and people around will have a very uplifting experience for the devotee. So, the devotee who has developed a habit of harboring negative thoughts has to switch over to harboring thoughts that are positive in nature, that are nurturing in nature, and that cannot happen automatically. Lot of hard work has to go into unlearning the negative and replacing it with the positive. It requires a lot of self study of first knowing what is the internal space, cleaning that internal space, improving that internal space, and then moving forward to decorate it with only uplifting thoughts, thoughts that are going to make the devotee look forward to each and every single day, because here we are not focusing on only the goal of God communion, but the process that is going to lead us to God communion. If the devotee can bring himself to mindfulness of each and every thought, to having a sense of bliss at every moment that he is doing it, not in a mechanical way, but in a way that is internal, that need not be shown to others, but that will only reflect that what is my true potentiality? How do I improve that? How do I become of use to others? These are the thoughts that can uplift the internal space, that can bring the devotee to action in terms of the work that he is doing, the devotion with which he is doing that work, the attention and love and care that he is radiating to the people that he lives with, to the people that he is interacting with. So, a whole lot of nurturing has to go in for the devotee. The devotee has to do self study, the devotee has to take inspiration, and only when he is persevering to become a better version of himself each single day, with no laziness, with no intention to distract himself with pleasures that are only going to be short lived, with keeping his focus on that ultimate goal of God communion, he's taking baby steps every single day. And he's doing it with energy, with enthusiasm, and is radiating that around him. Only when the cleaning has happened and the nurturing happens, the devotee prepares himself for the next big steps. So, my dear brothers and sisters who are aspiring to seek God communion, please nourish yourself every single day, and you will see that the path will unfold on its own. Namaste.